We are Temana Performing Arts, West Auckland-based School of Fijian Dance and Language, the only one in New Zealand, believe it or not. We have been in operation for 3.5 years now, and our goal is to teach all New Zealand-born Fijians, as well as anybody who's interested in learning about Fijian Meke or dance, as well as Bosavakaviti, which is our Fijian language. So tonight, these are our youngest performers, of course. They're going to be sharing a few numbers with you tonight. The first two is two traditional numbers, and we will finish off with a contemporary number. So the first up tonight, we have our boys depicting for you times of the past when our people were constantly at war with one another. They use the wow or the club in their hands, and they perform for you, telling stories of times when we were constantly at war with one another. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome our young boys of Temana Performing Arts, Jacob and Emron. Naka. Lali. Rolling. Bakalan baka taman baka tamay. Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our young warriors of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the warriors have just depicted a time of when we were at war with one another. Of course, our times weren't always warfare. We also had times of celebration where our women of the village are an important part of Fijian society. For it is said that without the women, the mats would not be woven, the sails for the canoes would not be made, and our society would literally crumble. So here our beautiful young maidens of Fiji now perform for you a Mangere. They're telling stories through the movements of their hands, the fans, the heads, the feet, and the legs. Minakavalevu Mangere. Rau. Toso, Dimi ay malu rasaya, Dimi ay malu rasaya. Oh, ratana masidon, oh, ratana masidon, la matana lingay matao, daru na kimay, daru may saw, daru na kimay, daru may saw, daru samaw, daru samaw, daru samaw. Akra Meke, Toso, Dimi ay malu rasaya, Dimi ay malu rasaya. Oh, ratana masidon, oh, ratana masidon, la matana lingay matao, daru na kimay, daru may saw, daru na kimay, daru may saw, daru samaw, daru samaw, daru samaw. Okay. Dimi ay malu rasaya, Dimi ay malu rasaya. Oh, latana masidon, oh, latana masidon, la matana lingay matao, daru na kimay, daru may saw, daru na kimay, daru may saw, daru samaw, daru samaw. Waraw tortoka, Ura malua malua nongumode kotoe na bongi mula malua malua nongumode kotoe na bongi mula malua malu eba dungu kotona tomoni ua malua eba dungu kotona tomoni ua malua malu kotu mai tuana ikambula malua malu kotu mai tuana ikambula malua malu sabei tereki tukuna malua malu sabei tereki tukuna malua malu maramanina loto eramura malua malu maramanina loto eramura malua malu mayadana bakase nunga nunga malua malu mayadana bakase nunga nunga malua malu ini kotona mutu kesasuka malua malu ini kotona mutu kesasuka nayo iya wadam tale barau Toso malua malua nongumode kotoe na bongi mula malua malu nongumode kotoe na bongi mula malua malu ebandumu kotona namuni ua malua malu ebandumu kotona namuni ua malua malu koduma yetuana ikambula malua malu koduma yetuana ikambula malua malu sabei tereki tukuna malua malu sabei tereki tukuna malua malu maramanina loto eramura malua malu maramanina loto eramura malua malu mayadana bakase nunga nunga malua malu mayadana bakase nunga nunga malua malu ini kotona mutu kesasuka malua malu ini kotona mutu kesasuka nayo iya. Ladies and gentlemen, have a round of applause for our young maidens of Fiji. Vinaka. As you would have noticed, the movements of the ladies' Meke or dance are very restricted, very regal, very conservative. So Europe has the cultures of France, England, and so forth, have their finishing schools for their young ladies. Fijian Meke is our version of a finishing school where we teach our young ladies how to become proper young women, how to conduct themselves in the presence of the members of the opposite sex, those who are older than them, their elders and so forth, and leaders in the community. So as you can see, the Meke is one form of teaching our Fijian values as well as Nabosa Makaviti, or the language. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to turn things up a little bit, bring the heat from Fiji hopefully, and chase this winter cold away as we finish off our evening tonight with our contemporary Fijian Meke. Hope you enjoy this and dance along with us if you would like to. Vinaka. Maya, Toso Adilio, Toso, Lani, Toso, Naka, Rau, It's been an absolute pleasure to perform for you tonight. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are Te Mana Performing Arts. Come and support us. If you like any of your kids to come and join us, we are based in West Auckland. Anybody's welcome.
Another big round of applause to Mana Performing Arts. Guys, before you go, young people, come. We want to introduce you to our Mangere and Pacifica community this evening. What's your name, please, and how old are you?
I'm Emerald and I'm 9.
And what's your name, sir?
I'm Jacob and I'm 9.
And your name, young lady?
I'm Kumai and I'm 6.
And your name, young lady? Oh, if you can come over here, please, dear. Thank you. And what's your name, dear?
My name is Nalani and I'm 11 years old.
Can I just acknowledge how amazing you are from 11 down to 6? It's not the easiest thing performing in front of Pacifica, especially with some of the things you've heard about Mangere. But man, I just want to say to you guys that you are amazing, and it's so great that you are embracing your beautiful culture at such a young age. Family, can we give them a big round of applause and let them know how special they are? Amazing. Thank you so much. Another big round of applause, family. Come on. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. That's my Mangere grammar coming out. So don't go anywhere, because right now we've got another special performance. And when Alipate was talking about heating it up, well, we're going to heat it up some more, because coming up right now